Hello, good day. I'm Poi. In the previous tutorial, we talked about reduce write method in JavaScript. So now let's talk about um, reverse method in JavaScript. So let's create a file for our reverse method. And then, what is reverse method? So reverse method in JavaScript is used to reverse the order of the elements in an array. It modifies the original array in place without creating a new array. So let's create an example for our reverse method. So let's create a fruit again, fruits, and then let's create the example, apple, mango, sorry, mango, banana, and then let's say cherry. Okay, this one. And then let's use the reverse for this fruit. And then let's console.log our fruit. Okay, so let's run our code. So as you can see here, the output is cherry, banana, mango, and apple. So in this example, the reverse method is called on the fruit array. It reverses the order of the elements in the array, resulting this output from the last element to first element. So the reverse method is useful when you need to change the order of the element in an array. It can be handy for tasks such as displaying data in reverse order, then implementing stack-like behavior or manipulating array in specific algorithms. So it remember that reverse alter the original array. So if you want to preserve the original array and create a new reverse array, you can use the slice method. So it combination of slice with reverse. So let's create our variable. Okay, variable that hold our reverse fruit fruit. Sorry, reverse fruits. Okay, fruits that slice. So there's the slice. I will create a separate tutorial for this slice, but for now, I give you an immediate sample for this one. So this slice, what you call this one? If we're not putting any argument inside of the slice, we get the whole element of our fruit array, and then we can use the reverse method now. And then let's console log our fruits and then comment this fruit reverse method here. Then let's run our code. So as you can see here, the first array is the same, apple, mango, banana, and cherry. And then in our second console.log, the reverse fruit, the output is cherry, banana, mango, apple. So yeah, I hope I give you the explanation and example how you understand the reverse method and how you preserve the array using the slice method. So if you have any further question in clarification, just comment below in our comment section. Thank you and bye bye.